This coming June 4th week usually, though some are celebrating it 3rd week to 4th week. So this is a campaign on poisoning prevention. The theme is community and collaboration because we have observed that there are many poisoning nowadays that includes human activities like throwing garbage, and also polluting our environment, and there is also neglect, wherein children are poisoned because of some neglect by parents, by any guardian. So with this, we grab this opportunity that we are going to different communities and also hospital to teach some frontliners and medical professionals how to educate in their communities, especially to keep those products, to keep those products from children, and to also educate that substance of abuse is not really good, and also throwing any garbage, especially plastics, is not good to the environment and also to the animals, for lower animal beings. So this is the chance that we also emphasize what is the effect of that garbage that is thrown, or neglect certain chemicals that the children are exposed to. So this is that we have a lot of activities that will be posted in our FB page and also in our bulletin in the hospital.
Alright, thank you, Doc. So, komunidad na yun, Doc. Hindi na siya personal na ito ng mga advocacy.
Yes, i-involve na mo ang community kay tulo ang among observation, especially sa atong province, na ay una sa aksidente kay ang bata nakainom og kerosene, nakainom og grabing alcohol, nakainom og efficacy, kay wala ibutang sa saktong nga butanganan, nakainom og muriatic acid, kay abi Sprite, so kay ibutang dahil sa baso. So mga inana nga klase nga poisoning. Ikaduha nga observation, itaas ang rate sa kaning substance of abuse, daghan madala sa hospital nga nag-stroke or nag-heart attack or na-ay chest discomfort kay tag-as kay BP, paspas kay heart rate, pero nakagamit man dahil o bawal na droga. Tapos ang ikatulo is ang obserbasyon ko naman, itaas po din mga depression na case, nga kaning ibuli daw sila, munang iinom na lang siya o paracetamol na 50 katablitas, ibuli sila, or naay family problem, nag-away yung mamagpapa, so yan na lang ibuhat is yang iinom ang Zonrox. So inani, which is kani siya preventable na mga cases. So now, with the team community and collaboration, uniting to prevent poisoning, we would like to extend our effort to the community and also to the frontliners.
Okay, got that, Doc. Doc,